If you've been thinking about how to make money on YouTube but don't want to step in front of a camera, you're in the right place. I'm here to show you the top 30 YouTube niche ideas that can bring in some serious cash, all without showing your face. When I first got started, I had no idea how powerful YouTube could be. In fact, my journey began when I was a broke dad trying to make ends meet for my family. But what I learned is that anyone can make money online, even if you don't have a camera or the charisma that some people seem to think you need. I turned that around by diving deep into affiliate marketing and YouTube automation. And now I'm able to help others like you do the exact same thing. So if you're ready to learn how to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself, let's dive in. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or you want to start a full-time online job, these YouTube niche ideas will show you exactly how to make money from home and build your passive income stream. Niche number 1, ancient wisdom. Imagine creating a channel that dives deep into ancient philosophies from Aristotle to modern interpretations. Channels like Philosophies for Life have built massive audiences with just 98 videos and over 2 million views a month. You don't even need a camera, just a voiceover, whiteboard animations, and simple visuals. How to make money? Monetize through ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Niche number 2, self-improvement. This niche is massive. People want to improve their lives, whether it's getting in shape mentally, physically, or spiritually. Channels like Brainy Dose focus on self-improvement like stock footage and voiceovers. I personally love this niche because it combines personal growth with real value. How to make money? Ad revenue, course promotions, affiliate products, and sponsorships. Niche number 3, mental health. Mental health is a topic that resonates with millions. Channels like Psych Hub cover various mental health topics with animations or simple visuals. If you're passionate about spreading awareness and helping others, this is a great way to provide value and monetize. How can you make money? Through ad revenue, online therapy affiliate programs, or product promotions. Niche number 4, charisma and social skills. Ever wondered how some people just seem to have it all together? This niche is all about improving communication, charm, and social presence. Channels like Charisma on Command help viewers boost their charismas. You don't have to be a people person yourself to build your audience here. How to make money? Through ad revenue, online courses, and affiliate links. Niche number 5, investing. We all want to grow our wealth, right? Investing can be a powerful niche. Channels like Trist Invest create videos using whiteboard animations to explain complex financial concepts. You can teach others how to invest in stocks, crypto, and more, all without ever showing your face. How you can make extra money? Through affiliate links to investment platforms, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 6, personal finance. Personal finance is huge, especially as more people seek financial freedom. Channels like Practical Wisdom focus on tips about budgeting, investing, and saving money. If you're good with finances, this is a perfect niche. How to make money? Affiliate links to financial products, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 7, make money online. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in making money online. And guess what? You're in a niche that's always in demand. This is where you can leverage affiliate marketing and automation to create income streams. I personally run one channel in this space and it has scaled my income very fast. How to make money? Affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and selling digital products. Niche number 8, business stories. People love stories about successful businesses, how they started, their struggles, and how they overcame them. Channels like Magnets Media dive into the backstories of massive companies, and you can do the same with stock footage or animations. How to make money? Through ad revenue, affiliate products related to business tools, and sponsorships. Niche number 9, job search and career advice. There's a huge demand for job search and career advice. Channels like Career Addict help find their dream jobs with animated videos explaining different career paths. How to make money? through affiliate links to job boards, ad revenue, and partnerships with career coaching services. Niche number 10, luxury lifestyle. We all dreamed about the high life, the mansions, the yachts, the luxury cars. This niche explores the world of ultra rich. Channels like King Luxury get millions of views talking about luxury lifestyles, and you can join in without ever having to show your face. How to make more money? Through affiliate marketing with luxury goods, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 11, weight loss. Everyone is looking for ways to lose weight and stay healthy. Channels like Bestie share tips and insights about weight loss using stock footage and voiceovers. If you have a passion for health and wellness, this is a great niche to explore. How to make money? Affiliate products like fitness gear or supplements, ad revenue, and sponsored content. Niche number 12, fitness and gaining muscle. Gaining muscle and improving physical fitness is another evergreen niche. Body Hub is a great example of a channel that uses stock footage to demonstrate workouts and fitness tips. How to make more money? Through affiliate marketing, fitness products, online coaching, and ad revenue. Niche number 13, health remedies. Health remedies from natural cures to homeopathy is a popular niche with plenty of potential. Channels like Natural Cures reach millions by focusing on these alternative approaches. How to make money? Affiliate links to health products, ad revenue, and partnerships with health-related brands. Niche number 14, dating advice. We all want to know how to improve our relationships, and this niche is a gold mine. Top Think creates videos about dating, relationships, and love, all without showing the creator's face. How to make money? Affiliate marketing with dating apps, relationship books, also ad revenue, and online courses. Niche number 15, friendship advice. In addition to dating, many people are seeking advice on friendships. This niche is related to dating, but with a focus on social dynamics and making lasting relationships. How to make money? Through affiliate products, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 16, software tutorials. If you're tech savvy, this is a great niche. Channels like Skills Factory teach people how to use different software programs. You can simply record your screen and explain the steps. No face required. How to make money? Ad revenue, affiliate marketing for software, and selling tutorials. Niche number 17, tech gadgets. Tech gadgets are always evolving and people love discovering new products. Channels like Top 10 Zone feature reviews and breakdowns of the latest gadgets. How to make money? Affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing programs, ad revenue, and sponsored content. Niche number 18, future technology. If you're passionate about the future of tech, this niche is perfect for you. Future tech covers everything from AI to space exploration. How to make money? Affiliate links to tech products, ad revenue, and sponsored partnerships. Niche 19, mobile technology. We're all on our phones and people love to stay up to date with the latest mobile tech. Channels like Top 5 Picks focus on mobile phones, apps, and accessories. How to make money? Affiliate marketing for phones and accessories, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 20, virtual reality. The VR industry is booming, and YouTube channels like covering VR headsets are attracting tons of views. If you're into gaming or futuristic technology, this is a cool niche to explore. How to make money? Affiliate links to VR gear, ad revenue, and partnerships with VR companies. Niche 21, travel countdown list. People love to travel, and countdown videos about top destinations or unusual travel ideas do very well. Channels that focus on travel lists like Top 10 Towns Offering Free Land can get millions of views. How to make money? Affiliate marketing for travel services, ad revenue, and sponsored content. Niche number 22, travel guides. Creating travel guides about the best things to do in a certain location can attract travelers from around the world. Channels like Island Hopper TV provide great examples. How to make money, affiliate links to hotels, tours, and travel equipment, plus ad revenue. Niche number 23, travel finance. If you're into finance and travel, this niche could be a gold mine. Channels like Scary Harry discuss affordable travel destinations and tips to travel on a budget. How to make money, affiliate products related to travel finance, credit cards, budget tools, but also ad revenue. Niche number 24, parenting tips. Being a parent can be challenging, and people are always looking for advice on raising children. This niche is both rewarding and profitable. How to make money, affiliate links for parenting products, ad revenue, and sponsored content. Niche number 25, gaming. The gaming community is massive, and channels that cover gameplay, tips, and reviews often go viral. You don't need to show your face to be successful in this space. Gameplay footage and voiceovers will do the trick. How to make money, affiliate marketing with gaming gear, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 26, pet care. Pet lovers are always looking for the best advice on taking care of their furry friends. Channels like Pet Lover use stock footage to share pet care tips and tricks. How to make money, affiliate products for pets, ad revenue, and sponsorships. Niche number 27, crafting and DIY. This niche has grown significantly in recent years, with channels teaching everything from knitting to home improvement. How to make money, affiliate links to craft supplies, ad revenue, and partnerships with craft brands. Niche number 28, cooking and recipes. If you're passionate about cooking, this niche offers huge potential. You don't need to show your face, just great recipes, easy to follow instructions, and delicious food. How to make money, affiliate products for kitchen tools, ad revenue, and sponsored content. Niche number 29, life hacks. Everyone loves a good life hack. This niche can include anything from productivity tips to clever solutions for everyday problems. How to make money through affiliate products, ad revenue, and sponsored content. Niche number 30, spirituality and meditation. This niche has been growing steadily as more people seek ways to improve their mental and emotional health. You can create videos on mindfulness, meditation techniques, or spiritual teachings without needing to appear on camera. How to make money, affiliate products with meditation apps, spiritual courses, also ad revenue, and online courses. So there you have it, 30 YouTube niches that can make you money without ever stepping in front of a camera. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and create valuable content that helps people. Whether you're interested in tech, self-improvement, or travel, there are endless opportunities to build an online income stream. I'll be dropping more videos like this that help you grow your business. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment below if you found this video helpful. Let me know which niche you'll be diving into. Let's get that passive income rolling. Subscribe now to get more tips on building your online business. It's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.